we're going to bring in our chef, specializing in dove coffee.
It's South Texas Pat, and I hope you're ready for some dove coppers. I hope you brought your own dove, and I hope you brought them in your apron. We're going to get the grill fired up here in a little bit. Is the PowerPoint ready?
Share screen. Which one is it?
PowerPoint. And then go here.
All right. Patrick, you can resume your normal college-educated voice now.
Say what? I'm not an embarrassment to y'all, am I?
Okay.
All it does is pause it. Okay. All right. So first of all, make sure you know when it's dove season. It is very illegal to poach out of season. So make sure you check with your local counties and wherever county you're actually going to be hunting in. But you can eat them any time of year. So you can shoot them in season, keep them in your freezer for whenever you're ready. First, you need a dove. Then you need some cream cheese, jalapeno, some bacon, thicker the better, barbecue sauce, brown sugar, or any other spices that you want to throw in there. That's our little dove. She's delicious. That's about as much meat as comes off of one dove. It's enough to make 2 poppers. You get the breasts. That's all they got. They don't really, they don't look like a little chicken or anything when you take the feathers off. It's or red meat, yes. So it's more like ostrich or one of those rather than chicken or quail. So you take it's perfect size, just to cut a jalapeno in half. Take the dove breast, a dollop of cream cheese, stack them up. You roll them in the bacon. Good healthy portion. You roll them up. You just stick 2 toothpicks in it. You don't want to overdo it, so you can find them later. You don't want to bite down on them. And then I like to coat them in barbecue sauce and then sprinkle it with a little brown sugar. And then personally, I like to add a little more spice. So I would put crushed red pepper or something else to step it up. You can also adjust the amount of jalapeno you put in there to make it spicier or not. I put them on the grill. If you haven't used one of these as seen on TV copper grill mats, they are a game changer, especially if you're cooking bacon, because the grease doesn't fall straight down and then catch on fire and then you have a grease fire. It just kind of pools up or goes off to the side, and so you're actually able to just cook, and they're non-stick. So check out your as seen on TV aisle in Walmart. It's usually from the cigarettes, and you can find it there. All right, then after you grill them for a while, you make sure you get it on both sides so all the bacon is fully cooked. Once the bacon's cooked, the inside is probably ready to go. And there you are. Since it is red meat, you can cook it anywhere from medium to done. You don't want to go rare or raw, but you don't have to overcook it. So it's a delicious, creamy, spicy pop of flavor, and it's a pop you can enjoy all year, even outside of dove season. And there's just some more beautiful shots of it.
Does the dove taste, what would be the closest thing?
Well, if you've had ostrich, it tastes a lot like ostrich, but you have to go to Africa to have that. I would say it tastes kind of like squirrel. I don't know. It's not extremely flavorful, so it's not closer to venison or on that end. I guess it's not really like beef. It has its own texture. Just like beef is different from pork, is different from fish. They all have their unique flavor and their unique texture, and it's neat to taste your local wildlife and enjoy them, and make sure that you're buying your hunting license so the state can take care of the land that they're living on, and you know, we can keep the doves happy, the dove population happy, your belly happy, and it's a fun activity in the meantime.
All right.
So with that, South Texas Pat's heading out, and I'll head this back over to Kathleen and Jack.
Way to go.